If you're seeing AutoCAD error 280, you're dealing with a file lock error. That usually means the installer is trying to update or replace a file that is already being used by another AutoCAD version or by a background Autodesk process. The good news is that this is usually fixable, and in this video I'll walk you through the safest steps to get your installation working again. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, the easiest and most reliable fix is to restart your PC. A restart clears out temporary file locks and shuts down background services that may be holding AutoCAD files open. After your computer comes back on, try the installation again before opening any other apps. If the error still appears, the next step is to close Autodesk-related processes manually. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list of running processes and end anything named AdODIS, Autodesk Access, or acwebbrowser. These background processes can keep installer files locked even when AutoCAD itself is not open. If you see more Autodesk tasks running in the background, close those too, then try the installer again. Now, if you have antivirus or security software running, that can also cause this problem. Some antivirus programs scan installer files at exactly the wrong moment and temporarily lock them. To avoid that, turn off real-time protection before you run the setup. Just remember, this is only temporary while you install AutoCAD. Once the installation is complete, you can turn your protection back on again. Another very important fix is to use a direct download instead of the Install Now option. The smaller online installer can sometimes run into file access issues, especially if something in the background is interrupting it. Instead, log into your Autodesk account and download the full installer package. After downloading it, extract the files to C:\Autodesk, then open that folder and run setup.exe from there. This gives you a cleaner local installation path and often avoids the file lock problem completely. If AutoCAD error 280 still isn't gone, the next step is to rename the ODIS folder. Go to C:\program files /Autodesk /AdODIS. Inside that folder, find the V1 folder and rename it to V1_old. This forces the installer to rebuild a fresh copy of the service files instead of using a locked or corrupted version already on the system. After renaming it, run the AutoCAD installer again and check if the issue is resolved. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem. Restarting clears the lock, ending Autodesk task stops the background conflict, disabling antivirus removes scanning interference, using the full installer improves stability, and renaming the ODIS folder gives the installer a fresh start. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next one in order. Once AutoCAD finishes installing, open the program and make sure it launches normally. If everything loads correctly, you're good to go. And if this video helped you fix AutoCAD error 280, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.